Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you exactly how to refer your friends to Monzo Bank and earn yourself a nice little £10 in the process. Alright, so here's how it works. Monzo's referral program is super simple. So when you share your invite link with a friend and they open up a Monzo account, both of you get £10 each. So to find your link, simply open up the Monzo app on your phone, and once you're on the home screen, you then have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then from there, scroll down until you see invite friends to Monzo. So once you find that, simply tap on it and Monzo will then generate your personal referral link. You can also share it however you like, text it, email it, or just send it through WhatsApp or social media. The key thing is that your friend has to sign up using your link, not just download the app normally. And once they've created an account, verified their identity and activated their card, that's when both of you get your £10. It usually shows up pretty quick in your Monzo account balance. And another thing guys, make sure your friend is actually eligible. They'll need to live in the UK, be 18 or older, and it has to be their first Monzo account. And that's basically it. So share your link, help your friend get started, and grab your bonus. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.